Okay guys, this next song is kind of like the last one, and it's definitely like a trance vibe to it, but like I said, we're not focusing on shuffling just yet. We're focusing on, this somatic type style of movement, like shaking it all out, and these in-between moves, these transitions, these nuances and intricacies, which that is the title of Series 8. And once you understand this, these little moves, these little in-between moves, and you understand your body a lot more, you'll be able to add that true essence of freestyle to your Melbourne Shuffle. Because a lot of the Melbourne Shuffle is kicks, spins, hat tricks, slides, glides, running man, and the almighty T-step. And a lot of you already know how to do that. I know you do. It's okay. Are you disciplined enough to take all that and come up with 5 or 6 variations of your T-step, of your slide, your glide, your spins, your hat tricks, or do you just mechanically do the same steps over and over? There is foundation, of course, but I think you get what I'm saying. And when you start to add another style of dance or just free body movement that you haven't really been exposed to before, as such as we're doing now, I'm telling you, guarantee you're gonna see a difference in your dancing, because you're gonna be like, oh, Gribbs was doing that. It's okay to do that. That's cool how he did that. I see what he did there, You're expressing yourself this way to the beat or to the tempo or to the rhythm, to the groove, okay? And, I see how he did that. And maybe you already know how to do that. This is just explaining it, giving you guys a lecture for people that are new who have no idea about, dance, like music theory and how all of this works, okay? I myself am still learning. I'm trying to learn as much as I can every day because, this is what I love to do, okay? So, let's play this next song. I'm gonna do the whole song. It's like 4 minutes long, but it's gonna fly. And I'm not gonna shuffle, but I'm gonna do a lot of the in-between moves, intricacies, almost said shuffle, nuances and transitions, okay? It just, whatever comes out. And again, feel free to copy me. And if I get a little lost in the sauce, don't mind me. So here we go. It's another kind of African style dance, but with like a touch of trance to it. Here we go. It's called Samba Trance. What do you know? So maybe I'll take that as a little concept too. Right, just the hands, no body. Right, gotta tilt, straight, other way, one arm. Right, see how it. Okay, this is the type of stuff I've been working on for the past, I don't know, maybe this is probably just the last 6 months. I've been going to a lot of dances and just being more comfortable with myself on the dance floor, because I know it's a place to go, especially like a rave, right? When you go to a rave, everyone is supposed to accept everyone, okay? Now, you see the moves I'm doing, right? Like, you're like, what the heck? Where's he pull that out of? I don't know. I'm feeling it, and I'm telling my body, like, hey, go that way, or move your arm this way, or, and I was like doing this, and then I was like going forward, It's like an up, down, left, right type of drill, which we're going to get into a lot of that in the series coming up. Okay, so on to the next demo.